the 10 best ways for a successful solar installation company to show up on page 1 of a search engine. Here is a list to start you on your journey to page 1 excellence. 1. SBO, not SEO, search box optimization, autocomplete optimization, Autosuggest marketing. 2. Rank 0. 3. LSAs, all local service ads, that is, pay-per-call, not pay-per-click. 4. Sponsored ads, or PPC, pay-per-click. 5. Maps listing, Google Business Profile, Google My Business. 6. Organic listing, via good ranking content, using SEO. 7. People also ask. 8. Videos that you can rank. 9. Related searches, and 10. Images you can rank. We'll discuss the last 9 familiar ones first, and leave the best one, the number 1 way, or SBO, search box optimization, for last, so that you can have a good, thorough understanding of what will work for you, and why. Number 2 is rank 0. The second best way to rank on page 1 of a search engine, and increase your online visibility, is rank 0. Consider yourself fortunate if you can show up in rank 0 above all the content. You know about page 1 ranking. But what is rank 0? Rank 0 is when someone asks the search engine a question, and your article has the answer served up by the search engine, and the search engine figures your answer is the best. Great when you can get it. Disadvantage of rank 0? Time consuming. Can be expensive. And easy for you to get replaced by the next best article. If you ever make it, it is well worth it though. So what can be better than rank 0? That would be our number 1 secret weapon, which is search box optimization, autocomplete, to be discussed last. As you read these articles and request to watch the videos, you will be duly rewarded with the best of the treasure hunt. Stay tuned. Subscribe to the playlist, connect on LinkedIn, and keep watching for better ideas. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar, signing off. Thank you for watching.